Hi, it's Dave here from Megapoints Controllers. We're just going to show you this brand new product we've spent a while building. It's a fully assembled switch box for servo controllers. I have a test servo controller here, rigged up to 12 servos, and as you'll see on the switch box, when I operate the switch, the corresponding servo channel moves. The beauty of this switch box is it's fully assembled. All you have to do is take it out of the box and plug in the leads. It comes with a generous 2 meters of cable, but you can extend it using the servo controller extension leads we have on the web shop, and it's super simple to put together. It even has the rubber feet on the bottom, so it'll hold it neatly in one place. Let me show you how to install this. On the back, the cables are labelled. Let's see if we can force the focus. There we go. So it's showing 1 to 3, 4 to 6, 7 to 9, 10 to 12 and ground. And all you do, you take the corresponding cable, in this case the 1 to 3, follow it through and plug the other end into the 1 to 3 section on the servo controller. The white lead always goes to the top. Now we take the second one, which is 4 to 6, follow that through and plug it into the 4 to 6 section of the servo controller. Let's take the 7 to 9, follow it through and plug in to switch input 7 to 9 of the servo controller. Hopefully you get the idea now. 10 to 12, plug into the servo controller, 10 to 12, and finally the ground. Take the ground connector, plug that into the bottom where it says switch common. Now on the servo controller the memories will be clear, there's no connection there. So now we've plugged in the switch box, and if I operate switches you'll see the corresponding channel move on the servo controller. Making life a little bit simpler. Plug and go. I'll just show you some of the detail of this. We've made it with a 3mm plywood assembled. The switches are all pre-wired and installed. So again, all you have to do is, the switches are all pre-wired and installed, so all you have to do is plug it into the servo controller. If you notice the switches, the ugly locking ring that usually sits on the top to hold it in place isn't there. We've cunningly recessed everything, so the switches go into the little hole on the plastic fascia and everything is hidden from view, making it far more pleasing to look at. Thanks for watching.